There has been a brutal act of killing in the DRDO campus, in the township, where neutered, vaccinated dogs were picked up on the orders of the real estate head and taken away in trucks, God knows where. Now people might assume that, they were just relocated. No, their mouths were tied, their hands and feet were bound and put into one plastic bag, tied up, and another one, which means they suffocated slowly to death. This is death. We managed to save 3 because somebody noticed these 3 empty bags lying on the truck, and we figured out these were dogs that were on their last stage. But then we realized that all the dogs that have been missing so far have been because these dogs have been steadily relocated. We found a couple more videos where dogs like this the previous week were caught, and the poor dog is trying to move and somebody's thrown a stone on their head. A dog that was being treated for cancer, a dog that was hit on the spine, so had become a paraplegic, only able to move with the front 2 feet. That dog was picked up. A lactating mother, which was with the 2 pups, was picked up. All the helpless dogs were picked up. On whose orders? On why? So in the greyness post-Supreme Court, what we are seeing is a lot of very illegal things happening. But what we are saying from CJ Memorial Trust, of which CV Raman squad is a very, very strong part. If it wasn't for them, we would not have noticed this to have happened because it's a closed campus. But what we have realized is we've given strong messages. We've called up the Chief Commissioner and said we must have this fixed. We must have action taken. And good to know that the FIR was launched by BBMP. It was a very good move and done the very next day. The second thing is we want the solid waste management to take action and ensure that no garbage collectors do this. Third, a strong notice has to go out to DRDO that this is unacceptable behavior, and they cannot hide by saying, the CCTV cameras does not work, right? They cannot silence this when it's an illegal act they have committed. You can't cover it up. And most importantly, we are concerned that if this is happening here, it is happening elsewhere in India. And if today it's DRDO, tomorrow it's another establishment, tomorrow it's a university, they will get away with murder, literally. These dogs deserved better. It took us 2 years to get those dogs to be neutered, and this is what happens. Their last moments in that plastic bag, I want you to think about it, because that were the last moments that we want justice for. And we want to make sure that we want justice for it, but we want to prevent it from happening.